The power of compounding. Why small habits matter. Success isn't about one big moment. It's about small, consistent actions that compound over time. Warren Buffett didn't become a billionaire overnight. He started investing at the age of 11 with just a few dollars and let the power of compounding work its magic. Just like money grows when invested wisely, so do habits. Every small action, reading a book, saving $1, learning a new skill, builds up over time, creating exponential results. Most people give up too soon because they don't see instant rewards. But Buffett understood that patience is the key to success. He didn't chase quick wins or gamble on risky investments. He played the long game. Think of it like planting a tree. At first, it's just a tiny seed in the ground, barely noticeable. But with time, care, and consistency, it grows into something massive, providing shade, stability, and value. Buffett's entire philosophy is based on this principle. Small, smart decisions repeated over decades. He calls it the snowball effect. Start small, keep rolling, and eventually, it turns into something unstoppable. This mindset doesn't just apply to investing, it applies to life. If you commit to improving by just 1% every day in a year, you won't be 365% better. You'll be nearly 38 times better because of the power of compounding. Most people underestimate what they can achieve over a decade, but overestimate what they can do in a week. Buffett's lesson? Think long-term, stay consistent, and let the results build up over time. If you want to be successful, don't focus on making huge leaps overnight. Instead, focus on small habits that will lead to bigger results down the road. Whether it's improving your skills, saving money, or building a business, consistency and patience are the ultimate game changers.